Guys, tinopak ako. So, ayaw ko magluto ng tea. 2 spoon. Ayaw ko magluto ng tea ngayon, guys. So, siya yung nagluto. Sobrang dami naman yan nilagay niya. Wait, that is too many naman. 2 person lang naman eh. Ayan, guys. So, sobrang dami. Never kasi siya, guys, nagluto ng tea, guys. Gumawa ng tea.
1 spoon?
1 spoon and half. Huh?
What?
More because you put many. Stop na. Never siya, guys, nagluto, guys. First time niya.
I don't drink tea, na. I prepare
So, tinopak kasi ako, guys. So, ayaw ko magluto. Ayaw ko maggawa ng tea. Kasi snacks time na, guys, ng mga tao na gumagawa dito.
Also.
No need. That one only. If you want. So, may hinahalo pa yan dito sila, guys, yung cardamom. Cardamom, right? Yung cardamom, guys, para pang paamoy. Ayan. So, dudurog-durogin niya lang yan. Tapos, ilalagay doon.
Durog? What durog?
Kasi ginagawa ulit ito, guys, oh. Ito yung ayaw ko kasi maalikabok na naman. So, tinopak ako siya magluto. Kahit alam nyo, guys, kahit yung ghee, hindi yan marunong magluto ng ghee. He doesn't know how to cook ghee, right? Ayan, no, yung ghee na niluto ko kagabi, guys. Hindi siya marunong. So, naghahanap siya ng snacks para ibibigay doon. Kasi around 4 PM na, guys. Magpa-5 na siguro.
What will you in snacks?
No. So, lahat ng mga cabinet namin, guys, is nawala yung kanyang pintuan. Sobrang dami niyan nilagay, guys, oh. Ayan, nakakalat pa yan dito, guys. Tingnan natin kung ano yung ibibigay niya. Ayan yung ibibigay niya, guys, na snacks, oh. Portion niya pa, guys. May design pa, guys. may design pa siyang nalalaman, oh. Ayan. Ano pa next? Ito kasi maalat-alat to, guys. Tapos ito is parang normal lang. Walang lasa. So, kukuha tayo ng pang tea na cup. Ayan, oh. Kuha tayo ng pang tea na cup, guys. Ito. Dapat marunong siya, guys. Anong klaseng, ano to? Indian siya. Hindi siya marunong. Hindi kasi siya, guys, umiinom ng tea. Kaya hindi niya alam. Mostly kasi talaga, guys, sa mga Indian dito is umiinom sila ng tea. So, siya lang talaga yung hindi mahilig sa tea. 100 or 90% ng mga Indian, guys, is mahilig sila sa tea. Parang kape ba? Na-addict sila sa kape. Pero ngayon, hindi ako iinom ng tea ngayong hapon, guys. Kasi uminom na ako kanina ng ng iced coffee.
I'll put more sugar or shall I taste it?
No. Look at it.
Look. You can't do it. Look.
Later pa yan. You need to boil it more and more. Not going to transfer right away. You make it like brown. Did you put water ba? Ay! Nilagyan niya pala ng tubig, guys. Loko. Why did you put?
Because they put prepare. I saw in prepare.
You said no need to put.
I don't know.
Ay, you said you will not put. Leave it like this lang. Leave it like this.
How long?
It will boil this one.
How long?
Leave it.
How long?
Just 10 minutes. Leave it like that. It will not go yan. Leave it like that. Leave it boiling lang. Just in the low heat lang.
How many minutes?
10 minutes nga.
No,
Leave it
no,
that.
5 minutes only.
Ay, kita mo, guys, nagmamadali siya, oh. Kasi may trabaho, kasi siya, nagmamadali siya. Go na. gagawin? Call you na lang.
You will make it drain.
Ha?
You will strain it.
Ha?
Okay.
Go na.
Where are you going?
I'll watch it na lang. So, tatawagin ko na lang siya guys kung tapos na guys. Kasi dapat pakuluan mo siya nito ng matagal na matagal guys. Madumi yung aming bowl dyan guys. Oh, kasi sa pagluto nila is talsik-talsik ba. Mamaya pa yan matatapos guys. Mga after 5 minutes. Saka natin iahon. Guys, nagmamadali siya. Sabi niya, ilipat ko na daw. Ilipat ko na.
Put ilachi, it's going to taste it. Oh, 1 cup left. I prepared 3 cups. That is for you.
Will not drink oil?
You drink na?
You drink oil. Bahala ka dyan.
I don't drink tea, right?
I drink coffee na. Iced coffee a while ago.
You drink this also, it's good.
About you? You drink this one.
No, I don't.
Guys, parang ewan kami no. Nagtutulatan kami kung sino iinom nito. Kasi nagano man siya eh. Dinamihan niya eh. Yan tuloy. Ayaw ko na uminom guys. Kasi uminom na ako kaninang umaga. Baka hindi naman ako makatulog nito. May 1 cup pa dito oh. Wala akong choice kundi inumin na lang to guys. Kaysa lumamig siya to. So naburos na ako guys. Na-over na ako ng kape-kape at saka chai. Ay. So ayun lang guys. Bye!